Hello everyone and welcome back to Quantity Plans. This is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic dashboard happy planner for the week of April 24th through April 30th, and I'm going to be using the Steph's Design Space Baubles and Bits weekly kit. So this kit does come with 4 sheets as a whole kit, but you can also buy these sheets a la carte. And so first we've got Baubles and Bits A that has some functional boxes, some planner words, the days of the week, and numbers for the whole month. We then have Baubles and Bits B, which is some more functional boxes in different sizes and different borders. Then Baubles and Bits C, which is washi tape and some torn pieces. Very, very pretty. Love the color palette. And the last one is the deco sheet, which is Baubles and Bits D, all the pretty deco vintage pieces. Very, very cool. And I'm also bringing in this script washi that's also from Steph's Design Space. I think it would pair very nicely with this kit, so we're going to try to go ahead and add that in there. First thing we're going to do is that we're going to fix the days. I am repurposing this planner. I'm actually taking a 2022 planner and using it as my 2023. If you guys like planning videos, please consider subscribing so you can go ahead and catch my next plan with me. I do at least 3 plan with me's a week, so if you guys are interested, please subscribe. I went ahead and actually added the dates here off camera, but these are just so great. These kits are awesome because you can literally use these kits like I am, in the sense of repurposing an old planner, and just redating it is so fast and so quick. And it kind of gives new life to the planner because you're adding some color, and the color actually matches the kit that you're using if you pick up the entire kit. So I really like that about this. Okay, so now that we've redated this, we're going to go ahead and get our white out. I'm using a BIC white out easy correction tape. We're going to white out these headers because I don't use these headers this way, since this is my social media planner. I have other headings that I use. We're also going to white out these. All right, well, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing good. I am having a great time at my new job. I think it's a very good fit for me. I love learning new things, and I'm learning a lot of new things at the new job, so very, very exciting. This is a very pretty teal color. So I think the main colors here in this kit are kind of like this teal with a very pretty pink. I like that color combination a lot. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put in the functional boxes. So where's my other functional box page? Okay, right here. All right, so let's do something a little different, something I haven't really done before, but I wanted to give it a try and see kind of what it would look like if I did it. We're going to use these longer boxes and share spaces between these 2 days. Just kind of see how it goes. Then we're going to take some of the decorative stickers and put them on the designated day. You guys stay with me on this one. I'm just trying new things. This week I'm trying lots of new things in my planners. I want to see if what I've been doing is something that really works, or is it something I'm just used to, but maybe there's something else that I could be benefiting from more. I want to see how I can get the most out of my planners. Okay, then we'll do the same thing up here. One there, and then another one on the second tier here. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna try out how these functional boxes work in this particular placement this week, and if they don't work out for me, I can always go back to what's worked in the past, but I just wanted to go ahead and give that a try. Okay. Then we're going to need a smaller box for here. So then we'll pull in this one and it can go right here. I think I asked you guys this already, but how are you guys doing? Have you been having a good week? I have been busy, but good busy. Let's see, is there ever a bad busy? I guess maybe there is, but let's see here. We do want to add in this script. I've been putting these corner pieces over here, but I want to try something different. So here we go with the something different. Okay, I'll put them here now across the bottom. Okay, and then we can do, let's see, we'll do one here, and then one of these over here. Okay. And then maybe here I can add some of this washi that I wanted to bring in. Oh, I think this would be a good place for it. Let's see. Good thing about this kind of washi that comes in the roll is that if you end up not liking it, you can always pull it up. So let's see. Okay. Looks good there. So I'm gonna maybe try it on top here as well. Now, I don't know if this washi tape is still available on Steph's Design Space, but I'll go ahead and leave the Steph Design Space website information down below in the description so you guys can go ahead and take a look if you guys are interested in this kit or kits like this. Let's see. Okay, so that takes care of the bottom right here, and I do want to come back to here. I do want to fill in some of these parts. So we've got a remember and important that we need to add. Important and remember are two of the sections, and the other ones I do write in because I don't have stickers for that. Okay. And remember, and I'll come back later and write, when I put in my analytics here, I'll go ahead and write down the other two. Let's see, okay. And then now we can go in with the deco. I'm gonna use the washi strips, but I'm gonna add those a little later. So we want to do, this is cute. I don't know which ones to use. They're all so cute. Okay, this one can go like right there. And this can go right over here. Keys, all sorts of keys. Oh, such a cute little bird. Okay. I think I like this key for down here at the bottom. Okay, we can use these here. Right over here. I am absolutely loving how this spread is turning out, and it's not even finished yet, but it's just that pretty to me already. Okay, and then we're gonna go for the big old key because why not, right? And well, we want to add a little butterfly there. Okay, and I think for right now, I'm gonna put these to the side because I do want to add more of that washi. So we're going to start with this part down here. And then we're going to do the same thing across the left-hand side over here. So let's go ahead and do that. We're actually doing it this way. Do you guys like vintage sticker kits, or do you like more of like the really bright, colorful stuff? What are you guys into? Okay, that looks cute. Now we're going to layer. See how this journaling strip had kind of like the pink background, but it had the script. See how this is pink? I'm going to add the script on top to see if I can make it look like this. We'll see. I'm gonna have to do it like this because I'm gonna have to cut some. I think this one's thicker than the one from Steph. Okay. But it looks like it's working so far. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and cut right there. And we've got a really pretty script with the pink background. So we're going to do the same thing. I like how that looks, so I'm going to do the same thing to this part at the top. All right. Now, I'm going to save these washi strips. I don't know if I want to add them to the spread right now. I might. We'll see. Okay, we're going to leave these to the side because, like I said, I may want to use them. I'm not sure. Okay, and I am going to add some boxes down here. Okay, we'll add one here. And we will add one here. Oop. Okay. Actually, I do have an idea as to where I can use at least one of these strips. So we will here and then cut. Where's my ruler? Okay. kind of going across the middle. Kind of like linking the weekend together, you know? Okay. Then one more addition right here. There we go. And we could maybe do that here. And here. Oop. I'm liking how that looks, so we're going to add it to these boxes here as well. Just a little pop of that teal. And let's see here. We almost used that whole strip, just kind of putting some here and there. That's cool. Okay. Ooh. All right, and I do want to add maybe some deco down here. These scissors are cute. We'll do like this. And then a button maybe, or just another key. No, we have a key right here, so maybe this right here. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's maybe a little bit of a border. Okay. So I think we're done with that part. I do need to go ahead and grab my pen. And these sections down here, one is going to be Instagram. The other one is YouTube, and I do track my stats for both of those social media platforms, just so I can see how they're going and how they're growing. So here I have my YouTube analytics that I got from Steph's Design Space, and here are my Instagram analytics. For the YouTube analytics, you can track your subscribers, your views, your AVD, your CTR, your view hours, and total hours. And for Instagram, you can track your followers, your account reach, your growth, active times, and content reach. And I go ahead and do that once a week. So this is Instagram. And here is YouTube. Okay. And I'm going to take one final look before we go ahead and approve this for the week. I actually really like how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so you can be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.